If you want to enable sensitive content in Bluesky, here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. First, what you're gonna do, go ahead and click the three bars at the top left, right? And then you're gonna see the list of options. Go ahead and click on settings. Scroll a little bit down to find the moderation in the basics. Go ahead, and as you can see right here, non-sexual nudity, and you're gonna be able right here to see show means that I can see nudity, right? Like artistic nudes. And if you want to enable the adult content, aka sensitive content, you're gonna see right here, adult content can only be enabled via the web at bluesky.app. So I'm gonna just go back and then go ahead to the official website, the same settings, find the moderation. You're gonna be able right here to see content filters, and you're gonna be able to toggle on the adult content. Right here, you're gonna be able to see if you want to hide it or show it, right? Sexually suggestive or graphic media, and then basically you're gonna apply the settings once you get out. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.